At Brigham Young University, Hawaii, students from over 60 countries converge to pursue their academic dreams, explore new cultures, and prepare for their future careers. Here, amidst the peaceful atmosphere, something intriguing is unfolding in the computer science department. Students are making a shift from computer science majors to information technology major. For many, the excitement of joining the computer science program is palpable, but for some, that excitement turns into a realization that the path ahead isn't what they expected. Watch interviews of students who are currently in the program, students who change their majors, and the reasons why they change, and new students who are joining the computer science program and what they expect.
Hi, my name is Wong Wai Kit, and I am a student at BYU-Hawaii. I'm a sophomore and I'm studying computer science, and I'm from Malaysia. So the reason why I chose computer science is because my brother, he himself is actually a game developer, and he dabbles with code. So I was very interested from the start, and yeah, ever since then I wanted to code. So I hear a lot of people switching from computer science to IT, and that's understandable. But personally, I want to stay in computer science because I like the coding aspect and I like the math within the code. So, yes.
Alright, aloha. My name is Algernon Martes, and the reason why I changed my computer science minor to IT minor is because I took the first computer science class, and for me it was hard. And although I got a good grade, I decided to take an IT class and see how like IT. And I took the IT class, and I liked that one, and so I like IT better than computer science, and yeah, that's why I decided to change. Mahalo.
Hi, my name's Jack Wilson. I'm from New Hampshire. I transferred to BYU Hawaii about a year ago from Utah State University. My major is IT. It was originally CS, computer science, but I switched to IT. I haven't declared my major yet, but IT is, those are the classes that I'm taking. That's the major that I'm heading towards. My reason for switching to IT was because I'm much more interested in the hardware side of things rather than the software side of things. My major at Utah State was computer engineering rather than computer science. So I'm much more interested in hardware. And while there's not a lot of engineering that goes on in IT, you do get to work with the actual hardware itself and designing systems that do certain things for companies rather than focusing on the software side. I don't want to be a software developer. It's one of the things that that's one of the conclusions I came to. Another reason was mainly around scheduling for the classes. At least at the time, I've changed this now. You had to be very on the ball about when you scheduled your classes. You had to get registered for the classes as soon as you could, because if you missed certain classes, those would be prerequisites for other classes that you couldn't take for another year. Sometimes it would be only one semester in a year. And so that's one of the other reasons that I switched. There's also some quirks with PeopleSoft, where if you've taken, say for instance, you took IT 224, IT 224 is now IT 124, and there were some problems where it wouldn't recognize the change, and so I was denied registration for some things. You can go through your advisor, of course, to get that done manually, but I don't think you should have to. But yeah, those are the three reasons that I switched. The main reason, the overwhelming reason, is the first one. I'm more interested in hardware and working with the actual systems themselves, troubleshooting, that kind of thing, rather than fixing bugs and doing software development.
Hi, my name is Tajlyn Danielson, but you guys can call me Taj. I'm 18 years old. I'm a freshman here at BYU-H, and this is my first semester. I graduated from Kamama Schools Kapalama, which is in town, and I'm also from Waianae, Oahu on the west side. I guess the reason why I chose to major in computer science my freshman year was actually in high school I've done a lot of outside activities or extracurricular activities that the criteria of that was just the computer science or side of like coding and all of that. And I just really found like an interest in it. Regarding of like even the mathematics and coding side of it, I think it's that it's so cool that that you get to learn a bunch of new skills regarding of the world moving in technology these days and how things function and how things run. To just get that behind the scenes understanding. I think that is really cool. And yeah, I did do a lot of activities that did require like coding, computer science and all that. So that's what kind of like woke in my interest in it. But we'll see in a year or two if I stick to it. But yeah.